Hey everyone, Jamie Phillips here with you again. Bought this, got it home actually Sunday, but had rain and was busy and some stuff like that, so didn't really get a chance to do a video yet. But 72 International short bed. Now you see the bed's dropped a little bit, and I'll explain why here in a second. But was an old state in Kentucky State Highway truck. I'd like to get some of that cleaned off. If I kept it, I'd actually like to do something like Department of Forestry, maybe with like Smokey Bear in it. But anyway, pretty good old truck. Here's the bad part, was the floor of the bed. Hence why it's dropped down. But you know, the outer skins and the inner fenders and stuff like that is actually in pretty good shape. And so get the bed up, get the braces back in it, maybe cut the floor out of another old truck bed or something. A little bit of work. I want to get rid of the toolbox this week, but a little bit of work and get around here over on this. And but see, the outer bed skins looks great on it. Let me see if the door open up here. But it's 6-cylinder, 3-speed on a column. Just old, tight, just old trucks. So pretty tickled to get it and see what I can do with it here in the near future. Help me out, subscribe, share, like, comment, and I thank you. Have a good night.